What's up, guys? Sorry I've been absent here. Life happens. I don't know what I showed you last, but been dealing with rusty floors in this thing. I also got this bumper on here. It's actually off a Wrangler, a rear bumper that I made mounts, welded mounts on there to fit onto this. Got a cool hitch, get pulled out when I get stuck. Some cool D-rings. Bracket I had to make. So that's that. I'll show you rusty floors that I've been dealing with. So I pulled the carpet out, and well, it's wet because it's snowing here and I've been driving it. It's finally on the road. I had to do complete floor pans because they were freaking gone when I pulled the carpet out. Cut all the rust out and put in complete floor pans. Yeah. Welded them in, seam sealed it, painted them, undercoated it. Had to refabricate this bracket for the seat. Go to the other side. Oh, here in the back too, I had to fix this little section here. There's some rust, so I cut it out and welded in a piece of metal, covered up, fixed floor. Then come over here, same deal. Cut it all out. This side got a full pan, and yeah, this bracket wasn't as rusted, so I was able to reuse that, not have to make it. Yeah, like I said, it's snowing here, so there's water on the floor from melting off the feet. And it was back here. Welded it in, seam sealed it. That's it. It's good enough. I'm really picky. I was picky with it, but it turned out really well. I'm impressed with it. So that's what I've been up to for the past year or so, trying to get the floors fixed. But now it's finally on the road, and we're gonna have some fun with her. So stay tuned.